Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to replace a battery on a 2018 Sienna. So once you open the hood, the battery is right here. So what you want to do, all you need is a 10mm socket and a ratchet and a wrench. So then you do this, you undo this two, 1, 2. Okay, we're gonna come back once we undo the 10mm here. So once you undo the nut and the bolt, this bracket comes right out. You just lift it up, this bracket comes out. So this is actually a little hook right here. So then it hooks up to the bracket. Right there, it hooks up to the bracket. Okay, we just leave it here for now. So the next step is the most important step. What you want to do is to disconnect the negative first. You have to disconnect this one first. Okay, let's do that. So because there's no clearance, I just use a little wrench here. So once you disconnect, okay, sometimes if this guy is stuck, you can just use a wrench just to get it out, just to pry it up. So loosen from the terminal. Okay, something like this. Then this one, you just leave it aside. Now you undo the positive side. Same thing. After that, just loosen it up. There we go. So managed to get this guy out. And then right now, you're just gonna lift the battery up. I need to use 2 hands. Let's see. So that hook that I showed you guys is right here. So then just hook in. There's a little hole. Hook into right there. And then that's it. That's a hook. So we're just gonna remove it for now. The battery I got, you see this one is 24F, group 24F. So I got 24F. So then yeah, we're just gonna, same height, everything. We're just gonna put this battery in. So just a little more information. So this plate, this battery plate, right? Sometimes it will come out with it. So if you see the back, it has 2 little big notch. There's 2 big hole, the 2 big nut, and two big hole. Just gonna line it up. And right there, see? As long as you can unmove it, that's good. So after you put in the battery, you're just gonna try to find the hook. And then just gonna try to find the hook. It'll be right there. Yeah. So right there, you'll feel it. And then next, you put in this cover. Put it right here. Okay. I like to put a nut first on it, so then it won't drop. So after you tighten down the bolt and the nut, make sure you give it a good wiggle. Make sure it stays in place. Alright, so then after it stays in place, then then you can connect these back together. So I like to connect the positive side first. Right, so you do that, you do that. So make sure it's in. Right, and then you tighten this one, this 10, and then you connect this, and then you tighten the 10.